Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now we can continue, and what we need to do is to press and hold the home button and the back button together. Keep holding them together until you see the Samsung logo on the screen with the rebooting under it. Once you see this screen, you need to release the buttons and then quickly start pressing the home button until you enter the boot menu. So let's press and hold the both buttons, keep holding them. Once you see rebooting on the screen, start pressing the home button. And after a second or two, you should enter the boot menu. Now, you can move through this menu by using the home button. Basically, by pressing it, you can scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu, select the recovery option, then press and hold the home button to confirm, like this. And after a couple of seconds, your watch should boot into recovery menu. Now, to move through the recovery menu, we need to use the back button, like that, to scroll down through it. And to confirm the selections, we need to press the home button. Now, scroll down, select the option called Wipe Data / Factory Reset, press the home button, then select the Factory Data Reset option, press the home button, and wait until the wiping process is complete. Once the process is complete, make sure that the Reboot System Now option is selected, and then press the home button. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.